Hey, it's April again. I want to share with you guys a real quick tip on how to find CPA offers really quickly and really easily. If you're looking to get paid per lead and you don't want to have to wait to get approved, you just want to start making money really fast, get some pay per lead offers, and start posting them and promoting them, then I highly recommend using ShareASale. And I'm going to walk you guys through exactly how I go and find pay per lead offers. And if you're not familiar with pay per lead offers, affiliate offers, you don't have to make any sales actually. All you have to do is just promote an offer, and then if somebody actually takes action, and that's what CPA stands for, cost per action. So if somebody takes an action, like in this case submits their email address or fills out a form, that will result in you earning money. So ShareASale, in my opinion, is the easiest network to find offers that approve you immediately. So I'm going to show you right now how I find pay per lead offers, CPA offers at ShareASale. So the first thing you do when you make an account, and all you have to do is go to shareasale.com and sign up as an affiliate. What you want to do is go to Merchants, search for Merchants, modify search, click on Per Lead CPA, click on Auto Approval, search. All right, and as you can see here, you're going to see a large selection, and this is about 70 different pay per lead offers you can choose from depending on what niche you want to promote. And you will see right here, like for example this one, college subscription services. They pay you 20% per sale, $5 per lead. Another one is this one right here. This is called Shop Software Keys. All they have to do is just, subscribe. You can see here. If you were in the niche of software, like promoting services that have to do with any of these products, or having niche blog that relates to anything, any of these, Windows, Office, then you could easily, or even like if you're promoting to students who need these things, or business professionals, or virtual assistants, right here, $5.50 per lead. So that's how easy it is to find pay per lead offers on ShareASale. And once you find one that you like, all you do is just click Join Program, click the button, tell them how you're going to be promoting it. You don't even have to do that, but because they're going to automatically approve you on these. But if you want to, you can, put that here and then click Join the Program, and you'll automatically be approved. See? Approved. Okay, and then to get your links, you just go to Links, get a link banner, and you just find the program. You can just search for that merchant. Here, you'll see all the ones that you're approved for. So I'm just going to pick one, for example, Mr. Rebates. And here you will see the links that you have available to use. So this is what the site looks like. And then you'll be able to see your HTML code. Select URL only, and this is your affiliate link that you would promote to track back to your account to make sure you get the commission. So that's how you make money with, that's how you find really easy to get approved for CPA or pay per lead offers. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful, go ahead and click the links below my video to see my website and my top tips on affiliate marketing. Thank you so much.